Hello friends, welcome to my channel Management at Glance. In this PPT, I will explain the concept and features of management. Management means to manage something. It's part of our daily life. Whether you are a teacher, doctor, businessman or even housewife, you perform the concept of management directly or indirectly. There are so many definitions given by different writers and authors about management. Some of the definitions are mentioned in this slide. Look at the last definition. This definition says that management is the process of getting things done through others with the aim of achieving predetermined objectives with a great efficiency and effectiveness. It means that management is basically a process which consists of 5 functions or 5 steps: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So when we follow the concept of management, we actually perform the 5 functions. The very first function is planning. Planning means that we set our objectives or decide what we have to do. It is basically about deciding our future or setting our goals and objectives. The second stage is organizing. Organizing is a stage or function where we assemble our resources and material as per the required plan so that our pre-decided objectives can be achieved in the proper manner. At staffing, we hire the required number of employees to conduct the task in order to achieve the objectives. At directing, we make the employees or workers or direct them or motivate them to work hard so the objectives or the pre-decided goals can be achieved. The last function is controlling. Controlling is basically a evaluation stage where we actually check our performance whether the decided goals achieved or not in the proper manner. So it is a process of 5 functions in which we get the things done through others so that we can achieve our pre-decided goals with the great efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency means within the decided time and effectiveness means within the decided money. Now moves toward the features of management. The very first feature is management is a goal-oriented process. It means we follow the concept of management so that we can achieve our goals and objectives which we set or pre-decide at the stage of planning. Second feature is management is a pervasive function. It is a pervasive or universal concept. It means it exists and required everywhere. Whether it is a business, hospital, school, NGO or any other place, it exists and required. It also exists or required in whole world, in each and every country of the world, like in India, USA, UK, China, etc. The third feature is management is a multi-dimensional concept. It means management is a very wide concept which consists 3 further dimensions: management of work, management of people, and management of operations. Management of work. Management of work is basically related to manage the tasks which differ from business to business. For example, for school, the task is to educate the children. For hospital, the task is to handle the patients, etc. Planning, organizing, and controlling comes under the concept of management of work. The next is management of people. As we all know, and no organization can run without human resource. So, management of people is a very important dimension. Handling or managing of human resource is very important as no objective can be achieved without their support. Human resource is the biggest strength of any organization. We know that physical, technological and financial resources can be similar, but human resource can't. An organization's success or failure totally depends upon its human resource. staffing and directing. These two functions comes under management of people. The third dimension is management of operations. It is related to handling the activities comes under the production cycle. We start from purchase of raw material till the production of finished or semi-finished goods. The next feature is management is a continuous process. It means it is a never ending process. It keeps going on at every stage or level of organization. Managers continuously perform the different functions like organizing, planning, staffing, etc. For example, the finance manager is performing the function of planning. On the other hand, the marketing manager is performing the function of organizing and the supervisors are performing the function of staffing. So management is a never ending process. It keeps going on. The next feature is management is a group activity. Management is a group activity. A person individually can't manage whole activities. Each department and individual perform their task and then jointly manage the whole work or whole organization. So it is not an individual task, it is a group effort. The next feature is management is a dynamic function. It is a dynamic function which keeps changes as per the changes taking place in the environment. The next is management is an intangible function. It is an intangible function which means we can't see or touch the management but we can feel its presence in our working environment. We can explain this feature by taking an example. If the employees in a particular organization are fully satisfied, they are performing their task in the proper manner and goals are timely and properly achieved, then we can say that management is good. But on the other hand, if in another organization there is confusion, conflicts and goals are not properly achieved, it means that there is no proper management in the organization. So by taking this example, we can say that we can't touch or see the management as it is not a physical object, but we can feel its presence in our working environment. Next feature is composite. Management is a composite process as it is a combination of five functions which we already know: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Each function depends on other and there is no importance of any function if they are not performed in combination. There is no role of planning if there is no controlling. There is no role of directing if there is no staffing. So all the functions are interdependent and we can say that management is a composite function or composite process. Thank you for watching this PPT and my channel. I will be back with more concept of management.